rotation motion figure of rotating disc having rotational motion and translational motion. So if a disc is having linear motion as v and rotation motion as r omega, so if this is there and v is equal to r omega, then how we will draw the trajectory of this disc? The trajectory will be like this. Here we will get non-differentiability in the diagram. So this is the trajectory of body having v equal to r omega. So trajectory when rotation motion is greater than translational motion means r omega is greater than v. So how we will draw the trajectory of the body? It will be like this. Here r omega is greater than v. So it is a disc having rotation as r omega and speed as v. So here the slipping tendency is very more slipping tendency. So by cricket ball also we can see that if the spinner is spinning ball more, means r omega is very more, so the ball will skid and it will go towards the batsman. And if r omega is less than v, then I will tell later that what will be the trajectory. So here friction force requirement is very large, so that disc or ball should not slip. So what is the friction requirement? Mu mg. Mu is the friction of the ground. When trajectory when translational velocity v is greater than r omega. So what will be the figure? It will be like this. When v is greater than r omega, so we can imagine by a cricket ball like it will be moving away the trajectory, it will move away the trajectory and not the circular thing will be there, and here we will getting differentiable part, differentiable trajectory. V is greater than r omega. Friction. So how the friction will be acting? It will be acting in this direction, and in that it will be acting in this direction. So thank you. So today we are seeing the chapter mechanical properties of matter. So interatomic and intermolecular force diagram. So as we know, it is like this, U versus R. So here we are having stable equilibrium, and here what we are having? Here we are having neutral equilibrium, and here we are having unstable equilibrium. So here it will also perform SHM, simple harmonic motion. Here it will no SHM, here dy by dx is 0, and one thing more, like if the curve is like this, concave down and then concave up, so this point is called point of inflection. Here it is in unstable equilibrium, stable, and SHM here.